Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce chicken wings. First, ensure your chicken wings are completely dry. This is crucial for crispiness. Next, season them generously with a blend of salt, pepper, and garlic powder to build a foundational flavor. Then, arrange your seasoned wings on a baking sheet and bake them in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 minutes, turning once halfway through for even cooking. Now, let's create that irresistible hot sauce. In a small saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over low heat until it's fully liquid. Once melted, whisk in 1 cup of your preferred hot sauce, ensuring it combines smoothly with the butter. For an extra layer of flavor and a touch of tang, stir in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Keep the sauce warm on very low heat while your wings finish baking. Once your wings are perfectly crispy from the oven, it's time for the best part, coating them in that delicious hot sauce. Transfer the hot wings to a large bowl, then pour the warm sauce over them. Toss gently but thoroughly, making sure every single wing is completely covered for maximum flavor in every bite. Serve these spicy delights immediately with a side of cool blue cheese dressing and crisp celery sticks. For an even crispier finish, you can broil your wings for 2 to 3 minutes after baking, but watch them closely to prevent burning. Remember, you can always adjust the ratio of hot sauce to butter to achieve your ideal spice level, whether you like it mild or extra fiery. These wings are perfect for game day or any gathering. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.